Hello everyone, I am Barkha from InsurTech and Webner. Today in this video, I will give an overview of InsurTech AL3 WebViewer. If you want to look at the data contained in an ACORD AL3 file for policy or direct bill commission in the browser, InsurTech AL3 WebViewer is the product for you. With the help of InsurTech AL3 WebViewer, you can open an ACORD AL3 file in the browser. As the name implies, AL3 WebViewer is web-based, so all you need is a browser. No software installation is necessary. Here I will show you a demo. Open AL3 WebViewer by typing the URL al3viewer.winsurtech.com. InsurTech AL3 Viewer supports AL3 files containing policy data of any personal or commercial line of business. It can also open direct bill commission files. Select the file to upload and then wait for the viewer to load. Once the page is loaded, you will be able to see the AL3 data. On the left side are all the AL3 groups, and when you click on any group, you will be able to see the element data contained in the group. For example, if you open this 5BIS group, you will see the insured name and some basic details of the insured. For more detailed information of the insured, click on 9BIS group. It will display insured address, city, state, etc. For policy summary, click on 5BPI to see policy number, carrier name, premium, etc. Similarly, there are groups for drivers, vehicles, locations, coverages, etc. At the bottom, you can read the group and element description. You can also upload multiple files in the parallel. In addition, there are features to view the contents in the JSON format, which can be useful for your programmers. And you can download the data in Excel or JSON format. Let me download the output in Excel format and show it here. As you can see, the data in Excel format is pretty easy to read. So the viewer is feature-rich. InsurTech AL3 Viewer is free with some restrictions, like the maximum file size cannot exceed 25 KB, and you can have 5 free attempts daily, and Excel and JSON downloads are available in paid plans only. We have paid plans for larger files and for unlimited attempts. I hope this video was useful. In another video, I will explain InsurTech AL3 Desktop Edition. If you would like to keep the installation locally on your computer, then AL3 Desktop Edition has all the features AL3 WebViewer has, and there are more features. I will explain this in the video for AL3 Desktop Edition. For more informative videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Also, for any assistance required with AL3, ACORD Forms, ACORD XML, or to learn more about our products and services, please write to contact@winsurtech.com.